Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you so much for opportunity that has been given to us. We are group 3 and we will submit our article about the effect of online learning on the level of understanding of students. Before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Fadlia Zahra, as moderator. And next, I will start our presentation and I will invite Nurul Ulfa Shaharuddin to explain about abstract and preliminary. Please, Nurul Ulfa Shaharuddin.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to explain about abstract and preliminary. Abstract. Preliminary. Online learning is currently one of the effective learning methods during the COVID-19 pandemic. Online learning can be done using internet technology and using an Android smartphone or computer. Purpose: the research objective was to determine the effect of the online lecture method on the level of understanding of student about the learning material provided by the teacher. Method: this study used a survey method where the main source of data and information was obtained from respondents as research sample, using a questionnaire as a data collection instrument. The number of respondents, as many as 62, who are students around us. Results: many students prefer learning to be done offline because they can easily understand the material explained by the teacher. Conclusion: there is an effect of the online lecture method and on the level of understanding of student. Preliminary. The COVID-19 pandemic that is being experienced greatly affect various things including education. One of the preventive standards implemented by the government is social distancing. Social distancing also means that face-to-face learning, as usual, should not be done before. To start for the quality of learning for students during this pandemic, online learning was carved out. Online learning is an educational process using electronic media and internet technology.
Okay, and the second is Nurfitria Ramdhani to explain about method and result. For Nurfitria Ramdhani, please.
Thank you very much for the time. I will continue to explain from Nurul Ulfa Shaharuddin. Method. This study uses a quantitative approach with a survey where the main data source and information are obtained from respondents as the result sample using a questionnaire. The number of respondents is 62 people who are students in South Sulawesi, which are 15 junior high school students, 24 senior high school students, and 25 college students around us. In this activity, we identified the effect of online learning on the level of understanding of students. Next slide. This is the question on the questionnaire. 1. Do you agree that online learning is more fun than offline or face-to-face learning? 2. Are you able to digest the material properly during online learning? 3. Has your academic achievement improved or decreased during the online learning? 4. Do you have problems during online learning? Okay, the result. The online learning system is a learning system without face-to-face learning between teachers and students, but is carried out online using the internet network. Teachers must ensure teaching and learning activity continue, even though students are at home. Studying online is demanding of students to prepare their own learning, evaluate, organize, and simultaneously maintaining motivation in learning. Sun 2014, Aina 2016. Therefore, our group conduct a survey by several students to find out how well they think about online learning. Okay, the next slide. This is a question. First question. First, we conduct a survey. Did they agree that online learning is more fun than offline or face-to-face learning? Okay, this is the diagram. From the diagram, we know that 66.17 disagree that online learning is more fun than face-to-face. 21% of them very disagree, 9.7 agree, and 3.2% very agree. The reasons are very different. Some say offline learning material is easier to understand. Interaction and discussion between friends is difficult. And some say offline lectures are more fun because we can meet directly with lecturers, friends, and can enjoy the campus facility provided. Offline lecture train discipline and do not make us lazy to take classes. Thank you.
Okay, the third is Ayu Alvina Pratiwi Amar to explain about result. For Ayu Alvina Pratiwi Amar, please.
Well, thanks for the time. The second, we conducted a survey whether during online learning they could digest the material provided properly. You can see the diagram. From the diagram, 59.7% students could not digest the material well, and 43% students could digest the material well. From the survey, we see why they are different. Some say that sometimes the material provided is unclear and some has not been explained. The network is bad, so that when the teacher explains, we cannot understand the material so clearly. And some say that they cannot digest it properly because the lecture material is usually only distributed in a PowerPoint, where we have to teach myself to understand it. Moreover, if the lecture is virtually at a Zoom or Gmeet, students are usually constrained by the network and result in missing more materials. The third, we conducted a survey on whether their academic performance increased or decreased during this online learning. From the result of our survey, most of them all choose their academic assignment deadline. Next. Constraints during online learning. The result of the study also reported that none of you students had difficulties in understanding the lecture material provided online. The lecture material provided online, usual teaching material delivered in a reading form that is not easily understood as whole by students. Sadikin Hakim 2019. They assumed that the material and assignment were not sufficient because they needed direct explanation by the lecturer. In conducting online learning today, many students have many obstacles, one which is about not being parted from the internet network. From the result of our survey, internet network connection is one of the obstacles faced by students whose living quarters are difficult to access the internet, especially to students who live in rural, remote, and disadvantaged areas. Even if someone uses a cellular network, sometimes the network is unstable because the geographical location is still far from cellular signal coverage. This is also a problem that often occurs with their online learning so that the implementation is not optimal. Thank
Okay, and the last, I will explain about conclusion of our article. Okay, in our article, there are three important things, namely, first, this article discusses the effect of education during online learning that occurred during the current pandemic on South Sulawesi students. The second is, this article uses statistics in this decision making and data presentation. And the third is the decision making that we take from our research result is 1. Most students think that face-to-face learning is more fun than online learning. The second, more students are not able to digest the material properly when learning online, so that their academic achievement decreases. And the third is based on the questionnaire from our research, we found that almost all students have problems in terms of of unstable internet connection, so that they have difficult following learning properly. And I think that's all. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope you can understand, and we are sorry if there was a mistake during the presentation. Thank you so much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.